So now we're gonna get a little fancy. If you notice down here, I have my Google Street View option. So if you click and drag on the little man, you could pick the path that Google has recorded, or I could pick individual users' 3D view of the Lincoln Memorial. So I'm going to just drop them down here. And again, you may want to preview a couple of these before you select one that was created by a user. And as you can see, this one, I see a lot of people. I'm on the steps. It's a nice view of the mall and the Washington Monument, but it may not be the best view of the Lincoln Memorial for me. So I'm going to back out of that. And again, I'm going to go back to the Street View option, and I may take something a little bit further back. That's a little bit better. I like that. It's a nice full view. I don't care for the blurriness of these individuals, but again, it might be an option I may want to choose for a 360 view that's virtual for my presentation. So one thing I might do is add this by clicking on this view. So where it says capture the view, click that. And I'm going to hit save. So now you'll notice on the left-hand side at the Lincoln Memorial is now a part of this. So if I jump out of this and I'm at my previous stop, if I go to the next one, it's going to bring me in to that 360 view, which is going to allow my user to really get an interesting perspective of the Lincoln Memorial. And again, this is a great way to enhance your virtual project to give a 360 3D experience.